Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kayla for those who are new, and in today's video I want to go over 5 things that could help you homeschool on a budget that I do to this day, and I find it very helpful. So I want to share it with you guys and hope you guys find it helpful as well. As you all know, I am new to the whole homeschooling thing, and I'm really excited about this journey, my son and I. And what I find very helpful along the way is creating a budget plan that fits me and my family needs along this journey. So what I have done is, of course, I have a budget planner. Make sure you have some type of budget planner, or create your own, so that way you can visually write down what your budget looks like for you and kind of go from there, so you can actually see what you're willing to spend and what you can afford to spend. So I suggest all moms, especially moms with ADHD, we need that visual, right? Make sure you have it laid out where you can see it, okay? Because I feel like once you see it, it just helps it more better, if that makes sense. So get that budget plan, write down what your budget is and what you're willing to spend, and go from there. Also, number 2, please take advantage of all the free resources that are out there. A lot of these groups that I'm in, that I be telling you guys about, a lot of homeschool moms and teachers provide a lot of free resources that will come in handy. I'm telling you, I utilize it all the time. Every day I'm getting provided resources on things that I can use on a daily basis with my child along the way. So take advantage of that, guys. You'll be surprised how much free resources is out there. Also, there are some online resources that are free. I know Klein is one of them. There is a couple of other ones, but once I find those out, I'll let you guys know. I haven't really done a lot of online search for, free curriculums online, because I'm doing a little bit of both, but mainly, book curriculums. But my child do use Klein Academy. He loves it. It is free, okay? So definitely take advantage of the free resources that are out there, whether they're online or offline, okay? Number 3, don't be afraid to create, your child's curriculum based off their interest needs, or even if you don't know what their interests, are, take the time to find out and utilize those resources to build that curriculum for your child. It can be done, and it can be done on a budget as well, okay? So definitely don't be afraid to find out those things that can help you along the way. Create a curriculum that fits your pockets, okay? Also, number 4. Yeah, I think it's number 4. Number 4, if you're looking to put your child in some type of after school activity, do that. There are a lot of free programs out there, if not free, budget friendly programs, just depending on what your child likes. Like, my child is enrolled in karate. It's not free, but it's budget friendly for me. It's like $105 a month. He go 2 days a week, and they also do a lot of things within the karate school that he goes to. Like, for an example, this week actually he'll be going to the spring camp, and it's really all day, Monday through Friday, from 7 o'clock to 5:30, and it gives him that extra practice that he'll be needing to get his new belt. So we're really excited about that, and it keeps him busy and at the house and socializing and engaging with other kids and his age and stuff like that. So again, based off what type of sports or interest that your child is in, there is budget friendly after school activities out there. You just have to do the research. And then number 5, guys, again, I can't stress this enough. Make sure that you have everything planned out in advance. That also made this journey a little bit smoother for me, because in the beginning, like, I think a whole year before I decided I wanted to homeschool him, I kind of already started saving. So And not necessarily just for like materials or curriculums, but just for like everything in general. These after school activities, all that. I've been saving for like almost a year once I made that decision. So start early, even if it's something you're interested or you're thinking about doing in that process, save in advance. That's the real best advice that I can give. Save what you can in advance, so when the time comes, you'll still create your still create your budget plan, but you'll also have, funds set aside along that, process of creating a budget plan for, what fits your family pockets at the end of the day. So that's the 5 most helpful tips that I can share that I'm still doing myself. I hope you guys find this video very, very helpful. For those who also love short content, make sure you follow my Instagram page. So before I was cut off, I just want to make sure y'all have my Instagram names again: _mom_boss19. And the homeschooling page is homeschoolboymom25. So check that out. Also my Facebook link and all that good stuff in the description box below my channel. So